Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today we'll be making hero animation. So what is hero animation? Hero animation is the animation that happens when you transition from one page to the other. Like this image, if you want it to be bigger in the next page but you want there to be some kind of animation there, you use the hero animation for this. Now I have created a simple code. I'll leave this in the description below, the starter file, but let me just explain this. Material app here is wrapping around the scaffold, which is the app bar hero animation, and here our body is my first app, which is here. So for my first app I have the image.network, and this is the image link. This is the image here. So with height of 200 and a width of 100, and I also align it to the top left of the app. And I also have a second app which is the screen will be transitioning to, and it also has the same link as the first app. So don't forget, I'll leave the starter file link in the first comment and in the description below. Also, we'll be using the get package. We'll be using the get package for navigation. So get it installed in your pubspec.yaml file. I'll also leave the link in the description below. So without wasting much time, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Also share it, and let's get started. So here is our image, and we want it to be that when we click it, it will navigate to another place. But before we add the clicking method, we need to wrap this with a hero widget, because that's what will be enabling our animation. So we also wrap this too with hero widget. Let me see the context action. Nothing is showing here. Okay, let me solve this first. So our hero needs to have a tag, and this you can call it anything. I'll limit my tag for now. So also wrap this with hero widget, and which we also take a tag. Now the tag here must be the same with the tag we are using up. So this is my tag. If you are doing a hero animation, the tag for your image must be the same. Don't use different tag for the same image. Okay, so now we are through with this, and we want it to navigate to the second screen where we tap the image. So we'll be using the gesture detector, and then we'll have on tap, which will be a function just like your unpressed. So here we have this, and I want to use the get package. So, and I told you, if you want to use the get package, especially navigation, you have to wrap this with the get material app. So this will be the get material app, and let me restart it. Okay, so also this will be, you have on tap. You can see get material has been created. On tap will be a function, and get dot to. Also for smooth practice, for good practice, this should also be a function, so that the animation controller will leave once it is true, and it will not leave load on your app. So this will be my second app, and if I save this now, let's check it out. Okay, let me show it again. We can see this transition, how it is smooth, how it is going. It will obviously be smoother on a physical device, but but on the emulator it looks kind of wacky. So this is the hero animation from page to page, and we can see how simple this is. Don't forget, I'll leave the link in the description and the first comment below. So what I want us to do is, as our assignment, we can add an app bar here, and also give this a background color, and we can submit our code in the comments below. And that is just it. This is where we stop. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also put down your comments and share, and I'll see you in the next lesson.